Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kay, and here we talk about embroidery, HTV, business stuff, life, and all kinds of other crazy things. If you're new here, hit the like button, subscribe button, the notification bell, hit all so that you get notifications for all the shenanigans that goes on around here. And with that being said, why are we here today? Well, speaking of YouTube and all of you wonderful YouTube people out there, I bought myself, for the business of course, a new toy. And the 15-year-old told me that I needed to do an unboxing for it. I mean, I do a lot of unboxings for you guys, but some things I'm just like, why? No one cares. But this actually is something that you all might be interested in yourselves. So I've already taken it out of the box that it came in because, of course, my address is on it, and you don't need to see that. I love y'all out there, but I don't want you all hanging out at my front door. I'm just saying. So I already taken it out of the box, but I have it right here in front of me and we will open it together. So I bought a new camera. I've been using my iPhone to make videos, and yeah, I kind of plan to continue to use my iPhone. I mean, I bought this specific iPhone last year for my birthday so that I could take better pictures of product, and also record. I mean, I always have recorded with my phone. I've always recorded Harmony's swim meets and things like that, and it's actually the perfect tool to use for YouTube. However, at some point very soon, I'd like to start going live. And I know that some of you out there have been kind of nudging me to go live, and as I try to teach Harmony, if you're going to do something, you should do it right the first time. So with that being said, you know, the YouTube channel is something that I do plan to build and provide you guys with great content, crazy goofy stuff, and also tutorials, things to learn, and I want to make sure that I'm able to produce the best quality for all of you. So with that, I decided that since it was Prime Day, I was going to finally buy my camera. I also, actually, I'll show you what else I bought. I bought a couple of other things to go with the cameras to kind of help make the recording process and going live and all of that easier. Now, obviously, because I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet, I have to use the computer to go live, unless I use StreamYard, which is a possibility. But I just wanted to make sure that I had good equipment so that you could have the clearest view of what goes on, and the best quality I could provide for you. So this is something I know that a lot of us are using, or a lot of us are doing YouTube, and I haven't tried it yet, but I did do some research on it. This is a good review. So if you're looking for a camera, I will post this down in the description box so that you can take a look at it for yourself. So what I bought, first of all, I ended up not buying this from Amazon. The whole idea was to buy it on Prime Day. I did look on Prime Day. Yeah, it's close to the 4th of July. If you hear all that popping out there, that's fireworks. Today is not the 4th. We're not even in July yet, but you know. I was going to buy my camera off of Amazon during Prime Day. However, when I went to go check out, oh my goodness, I apologize. This will not be a video of me yawning over and over and again. I'm going to make sure of that. When I went to go check out, my Rakuten gave me a notification that I could get the camera cheaper somewhere else. So I bought this online off of a website called Focus Camera. This is the content creator kit. What's in the box? A Canon EOS M50 Mark II. So this is the new version of the M50. It also has a tripod grip, and it has a studio mic. So this is why I bought it. Oh, also they sent me a free SD card. Now, I actually bought an SD card from Amazon. I bought the 256 because I knew I was going to be recording, and as you all know, video takes up tons of hard drive space. Okay, so what's in the box? We have, oh, this is a studio mic. So inside this little bitty box, you have the little muffler thingy that goes on top of the microphone to buffer the sound. And then right here we have an external mic that plugs into the camera. Okay. We have that. A lot of people have the, I think it's GX, the Canon GX7. I did look at that. Angela has that one, and Alicia, I think Alicia has that one too. I did look into that one. That was actually what I was going to buy. It was what I was in the market for. However, when I started doing research, I liked this camera a little bit better. I liked them both, but I liked this one better. Okay, so in the box we've got a congratulations card. This is, oh, must be a insurance, which I did buy, because yeah, if something happens to the camera, I'd like it to be replaced. Image content helps capture your special moments. Oh, I think this is a, oh, it's an app. My notifications keep going off telling me about a student that I have to teach tomorrow that I'm actually not teaching tomorrow. It just keeps going off over and over again. Okay, so these are like coupons and whatnot. A quick starter guide. This is, oh, the cord, the interface cord cable to put it in, to plug it up to my MacBook Pro. We have the tripod grip. Also on this tripod, which is really cool, if you look right here, it's remote control, which I like. If you haven't noticed, I love a good remote control. Anything that has a remote control makes me happy. And then the big reveal, the camera. Now, the GX7 is a lightweight camera. It's more compact. The lens is built into the camera, so it's kind of like a pocket camera, which is why a lot of people like it. Admittedly, when I watched different YouTube videos on that camera, a comparison between that camera and this camera, I felt like the I felt like the coloring on the GX7 was much more vibrant than the coloring on the M50. And okay, actually, let me back up. What I'm talking about is the Canon GX7 Mark II. Or is it Mark III? The Mark III. The Mark III just came out. Mark II is the previous. I think the Mark II is what Angela and Alicia have. The Mark II is the camera that pretty much everybody uses. It has great reviews. Lots of people like it and use it. And then they upgraded to, Canon upgraded to the Mark III. So I did look at it for comparison. I did like the colors. I thought the colors were brighter. I found the audio on the M50 to be better. Something else that the GX7 Mark III is compact, so it's like the kind of camera you could just toss in your purse. Whereas the M50 has the outer lens, and so it makes it a little bit bigger. But it is still lightweight, I can tell you, because the box that it came in, this box. And this box was pretty light, which I was surprised by because I knew it was the camera inside. And it wasn't heavy. I expected it to be heavy. So I can tell you, it's pretty lightweight. But yeah, for the most part, I thought that the coloring on the video was brighter on the GX7 Mark III. And strangely enough, Harmony liked that camera better as well. The reason why I chose the M50 instead is its night vision is much better than the GX7. The GX7, it's very dark, you can't see it very well, but you can see really clear on the M50. Also, the M50 has a mic plug, which is why in this kit I was able to get a microphone. It has a input for an external mic, and the GX7 does not. I find that to be problematic because though right now I only record here in the house, in the office and whatnot, you never know what the future may hold. And also I feel like when you're recording in a room full of embroidery machines going, it probably would be a good idea to have an external mic. So that's why I chose it. There's plenty of videos on YouTube that are doing compare and contrast of the two cameras if you're in the market for a camera to record with. They both are very good at point and shoot. Very clear picture. Yeah, so I will leave a link for this camera from Focus Camera in case it's something you're looking for. And yeah, also we have here the strap. Here's the battery, and what's this right here? Oh, it's plug. And then the camera. Oh wait, there's something else in the box. What's this? I don't know. Oh, it's the lens. This lens is so tiny. Oh, that was the other thing. So the GX7, when you're recording, the width of the view is pretty wide, whereas with this camera, you may want to consider buying a lens that's a little bit wider. At least that's what they said in the reviews. This is so freaking tiny. It's crazy. I've always had cameras. I've grown up with cameras. I love taking pictures and things like that. And it's so tiny and it's so lightweight. You guys, I wish I could explain how light that really is. Okay, so this camera is tiny. So there you go. Little bitty camera. Look at that. So tiny. This is where the lens goes, obviously. It has, although I'm not sure how to open it. Oh, there we go. Just pops up. It has the little viewfinder so you can watch. And it's also touchscreen as well. So you can watch yourself. You can twist it around the other way. I saw on a video they did it. Oh, there it is. Look at, check that out. How cool is that? I'm excited to play with this camera. I won't be going live with it anytime soon. I need to learn how to use it. I need to play with it first. But now that I have this, I promise I will be going live with you guys soon. Okay, so, quickly, because I want to go lie down, I will show you what else I bought, just in the interest of tools to record for YouTube. Ooh, the heat press is hot. I also bought a lapel microphone so that I could go live with you guys that can plug into the camera, but I didn't buy it to plug into the camera. I actually bought it to plug into the laptop or the iMac. I bought a table tripod to put the phone or the camera on the desk, and also to put it on the sewing table so that when I'm doing projects I can record better, because the ring light tripod doesn't always get at the right angle. And then last but not least, mind you, I have not opened any of these. I just took them out of the box. This is the first time I've opened anything. These have been sitting here since last week. A tripod so that I can put the camera in it. So I will leave links for all of this that I bought, just in case any of you are interested in trying to start collecting your equipment to make your YouTube videos bigger, better, and brighter. And I think that's it, you guys. And please hit that like button, subscribe, the notification bell, click all, so you will get a notification for all the shenanigans that goes on around here. Leave me a comment below of any other equipment that I may have bought and didn't mention, or that you're interested in. If I know where to get it cheaper and have a link for it, I'll leave it for you down in the comments. And yeah, I will talk to you guys all soon. Peace.